To prepare Renastart, you must follow the preparation guidelines carefully. These are detailed on the product packaging. Incorrect preparation could make the child ill. Step 1. Wash your hands well. Step 2. Sterilize the feeding equipment according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Boil fresh water and leave to cool for no more than 30 minutes to ensure it remains at a temperature of at least 70 degrees Celsius. Do not use artificially softened water or repeatedly boiled water. The standard dilution of 20% is made by adding 1 level scoop of Renastart to 30 ml of water. The scoop can be found inside the tin. Step 4. To make approximately 100 ml of Renastart at a 20% dilution, measure out 90 ml or 3 fluid ounces of water into the bottle. Step 5. Using the scoop provided, add 3 scoops of Renastart to the water, levelling off each scoop using the back of a clean, dry knife. Do not press the powder into the scoop. Step 6. Place the sterilised teat and cap onto the bottle and shake well until the powder has dissolved. Cool to drinking temperature, approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Always test the temperature before feeding by shaking a few drops onto the inside of your wrist. The feed should feel warm but not hot. Renastart is now ready to use. As well as the 20% dilution, Renastart can also be made up to different dilutions. A lower or higher percentage dilution may be needed depending on the child's requirements. For these different dilutions, you will need to use a gram scale to weigh out the correct amount of Renastart powder required. Make sure the scale is on a level surface. Turn the scale on. The display should show 0.0 grams. Next, place a small, lightweight container on the gram scale and press the on-off 0 or tare button. This is called zeroing the scale. It is important to do this so that the weight of the container is not included when you weigh the Renastart powder. Once you have zeroed the scale, use the scoop provided in the tin to weigh the amount you need. To make a higher or lower dilution of Renastart, you still need to follow steps 1 to 3 as shown at the start of this film. Preparing Renastart at a 13.5% dilution could be useful for infants if there are any concerns with tolerance or when fluid restriction or increased energy needs are not an issue. For a 13.5% dilution, weigh out 13.5 grams of Renastart powder using a gram scale as just shown. Add the powder to the bottle, then add the cooled boiled water to the bottle up to the 100 ml line. Higher dilutions of Renastart may be useful for those children who are on fluid restrictions, for those who have higher energy requirements, or for those who cannot tolerate large volumes of feed. For a 30% dilution, weigh out 30 grams of Renastart powder using a gram scale as just shown. Add the powder to the bottle. Then add the cooled boiled water to the bottle up to the 100 milliliters line. Remember to zero the scales each time you measure out Renastart powder and to check your water remains at a temperature of at least 70 degrees Celsius. Once you have your correct dilution prepared, shake well until the powder has dissolved. Cool to drinking temperature, approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Always test the temperature before feeding. The feed should feel warm but not hot. Renastart is now ready to use.